In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit welcome email on Mailchimp. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type mailchimp.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click at login into your account, so you can actually enter your name or user's name or email, then password, then you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you can actually scroll down here and see all the plans that they have. They have the 3 paid plans and 1 free plan. Once you choose whatever plan suits you, let's use this as an example, they're gonna get you to the section where you can actually create your account. As you can see, let's just click add this free plan, sign up for free or sign up free, and that should take you here. Simply just enter your email, username and password, then click on sign up. Let me do that and I'm coming back. So now you'll have to check your email by just going to your email and activate it by the message that they're gonna send you. Once you activated your account, you'll find yourself here again, so let's just click at continue free. Here, you'll have just to enter your first name, last name, so let's just enter those that is like suggested for me and click on next. Of course, the phone number is just optional. And here, of course, you'll have to enter your address, thanks, and etc. So let's just enter those, click on next. And here, of course, you'll have to answer some questions. If you don't want to, it's cool. You can just keep pressing and at next, as you can see. But the first one, you should actually just answer it, and you will see the rest of them. You can actually keep clicking at skip. Once you finish, click on finish. And as you can see, once you click on let's go, you will find yourself on the home screen of the Mailchimp websites. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, is we would like to edit the welcome email. So if you want to do that, you will have to go and create a new campaign, or let me just, for me, I'm going to just choose some of my recent campaigns, and let's just go and click on edit this one. Of course, if you want to edit the welcome email, you'll have to click on edit delay and recipient to change the delivery delay after signing up. Of course, once you fill all this too from subjects and contents, you will have this option available. If you click on schedule, you can actually schedule it to send it to the people who are just going to sign up or subscribe to you. So they're gonna receive your welcome email. Of course, if you want to like edit it, you can simply go and I guess anyway, I click on edit. So just go to the campaign or the welcome email that you have and you want to edit it, click on edit, and you will be able, as we said, to edit whatever you want, even the contents by clicking at edit design. So here you can actually edit everything on the build campaign, all the campaign builder, and you be actually good to go. You can add a text, image, card, and etc. So this will actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.